Today I'm reviewing my stay at the Hampton Inn Naples-Central in Florida. This hotel is located right along US Highway 41, which is a fairly busy road. However, none of the rooms are facing the street directly, so traffic noise isn't really an issue here. The location is convenient if you're exploring Naples or, like me, just passing through South Florida to get to Tampa. The building itself follows a pretty typical 90s Hampton design that you'll find in many parts of the US. But it has been renovated in recent years, so it doesn't feel too outdated or worn down. My room was surprisingly spacious. It came with a comfortable sofa, a relatively large desk, and a modern smart TV. I also really appreciated the solid luggage bench. Not just one of those flimsy folding racks, but a sturdy surface where you can properly open your suitcase. One rather unusual design choice is a small corner area next to the bathroom that holds a shelf including space for a kettle. While it is functional, it does make the bathroom itself feel quite small, which is a bit questionable from a layout perspective. One small but recurring issue I've noticed with many Hampton properties lately is the lack of wall hooks. There's plenty of space near the entrance for a jacket or coat hook, but once again, there wasn't one. It's a very minor detail, but something that would really improve the practicality. The hotel also offers a small but decent fitness room, equipped with treadmills, free weights, and basic workout equipment. It's not huge, but it's perfectly usable for a quick workout. There's also an outdoor pool area, which probably looks much more inviting during summer months. During my visit, it wasn't quite pool weather, but still a nice amenity to have. The breakfast area is located right at the entrance, and initially felt a bit small for the size of the hotel. However, in the morning I didn't have any trouble finding a seat. Breakfast is typical for Hampton: toast, cereal, waffles, and other standard options. Nothing special, but reliable and filling. Now back to the room. Unfortunately, this is where things became more disappointing. The overall cleanliness was below what I would normally expect from a Hampton. There was visible dust on some surfaces, and in the refrigerator I even found a forgotten package of ice cream, and this was the fridge, not a freezer, so you can imagine the smell in there. The biggest issue, however, happened the next morning. I had placed my phone on the bathroom countertop and suddenly noticed small bugs crawling across the screen. Because the countertop is brown and patterned, they blended in very well, and I hadn't noticed them the night before. There were quite a lot of them. Since I was just about to check out anyway, I didn't request a room change, but I did report it at the front desk so they could fix it before the next guest moves in. The general manager apologized and assured me that they would take care of the issue, and they also gave me 5,000 bonus points, which seems very fair to me. They later notified me that these bugs turned out to be only spider ants and nothing more serious. Overall, the Hampton Inn Naples-Central is a solid, average hotel with a good location, comfortable rooms, and decent amenities. However, the cleanliness issues really hurt the experience. Although it was just a quick overnight for me, this is something they definitely need to improve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Also, feel free to check out one of my other videos and consider subscribing to the channel.